How do child injury claims work in Virginia? When a child is hurt by someone else's negligence in Virginia, the legal process looks very different from what an injured adult would face. Virginia law recognizes that minors cannot file a lawsuit or accept a settlement on their own, so a parent or another trusted adult steps in to act on the child's behalf. This protecting adult is known under Virginia law as a next friend, and Virginia Code Section 8.01(8) formally authorizes them to file the case in the child's name. The child remains the true injured party at the center of the case, while the next friend handles all the legal steps that a minor cannot perform independently. One of the most important distinctions between adult and child injury claims is how the filing deadline, known as the statute of limitations, actually works. For most non-medical claims involving a minor, Virginia Code Section 8.01(229) pauses the filing period entirely, while the child is still under the age of 18. However, families should never assume every claim is automatically protected, because medical malpractice claims follow a stricter timeline under Virginia Code Section 8.01(243.1). A child younger than 8 years old at the time of malpractice must have their claim filed by their 10th birthday, making early action critically important for young victims. Even when a deadline is technically paused, waiting too long can allow evidence to disappear, witnesses to forget key details, and shorter notice rules to catch families off guard. Virginia also applies unique rules around how a child's medical expenses are handled, with costs from injuries arising on or after July 1st, 2013 included directly within the child's own claim. Perhaps most significantly, any settlement reached in a child's injury case must be reviewed and approved by a Virginia court, which then directs how the proceeds are protected for the child's future. For claims arising from childhood sexual abuse, Virginia law allows an extended 20-year filing period under Virginia Code Section 8.01(243)(d), with the clock starting at specific triggering events defined by statute. Ken Gibson has practiced in Gloucester since 2009, bringing experience as a former assistant Commonwealth's attorney and federal prosecutor with the U.S. Department of Justice to every case he handles. John Singleton served in the United States Marine Corps and draws on his insurance defense background to provide practical, grounded guidance to families navigating the legal system on behalf of injured children. As a lawyer, each brings a different but complementary perspective that strengthens how the firm approaches child injury claims across Gloucester County and the surrounding communities. Having an experienced lawyer by your side from the very beginning allows your family to preserve evidence, meet every deadline, and focus on your child's recovery rather than the legal maze. Contact GibsonSingleton Virginia Injury Attorneys, located at 4073 South George Washington Mem Highway, Hayes, Virginia 23072, United States, by calling 804-413-6777 to schedule a consultation with the law firm's attorney team and protect your child's right to recovery today.